Hello everyone, my name is Hua Jieyu from China. I'm currently studying interior design at Chelsea College of Arts, University of the Arts London. My main focus is finding a balance between artistic expansion and public needs. I believe interior design not only about organizing space, but also about how it can invoke emotions and connect people with the repeat goals of AI. I'm also exploring how design and technology can work together in the future. The project I'm most proud of is called Travel and Communication Space. It was inspired by my love for travel. I realized the most valuable part of traveling is the interactions between people, not just scenery. So, I wanted to design a place where different personalities can find their own comfortable way to connect. The biggest challenge was creating layered communication experiences in one building. To save it, I used a concept based on three climate zones: polar zone, quiet and reflective for intervals; tropical zone, balanced for small group talks; tropical zone, lively and open for larger gatherings. These zones simulate different social modes through environmental sensations, allowing users to move gradually from calm to active interaction. In the future, I hope to enhance my conceptual thinking and explore public space and social design, learning how design can truly promote communication and empathy. Thank you.